Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the danger zone. How are we all doing? Yeah, no bonus stream today. Woo! Look at all this nerd stuff. Look at all this nerd stuff. Yeah, how are we doing? Who have we got in chat? Okay, we are actually going to put some more chill music on. Because as good as this music is, it's not chill. Danger zone. Gosh, what chill music do I have? Ooh. Unless people are okay with this music. Really, Burley? That's crazy. If you have your audio less than 5%. Sorry, we'll keep this music. We are going to skip this track though, because my god, it's the same 10 seconds over and over for 3 minutes 35. There we go. Anyway, where was I? Good morning. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Good morning, Flick. Good morning, Onit. And Lane. Hello, Lane. And hello, Slothy Slice. Hello, Burley. Am I going to miss anybody? Who said Flick? Who said Flick? Who said Lane? Hello, Lane. Raven. Ping. Good morning, Ping. And Ketu. How you doing? And Soup. Freddy. Goodness. Marley. My goodness. We got all the good beans in today. Wow. And Glace Gwyneth. Good morning and welcome. Good morning. Heard if it doesn't, if it's below 30. Yeah, who knows with Twitch these days. I've heard that Twitch are planning on making adverts pause when you like tab away when there's ad playing, and it's like, oh my god, why? Oh, sorry, stretching. So I did some little dev just off stream before. I've tweaked the chat at the bottom a little bit with the goal to slightly raise your little chat avatars up and put your names underneath. I don't know what people think to that. Might be tidier, especially when you start putting hats on, which you can do like this. See. You don't have enough shells, Ping. You need to catch some more fish. Oh, chef on it. Cowboy hat for the haunts. Heck yeah. Ye and indeed ha. God, I love this song. Used to be able to play it. It's been a while. Anyway, what we're doing today, we're doing some game dev today because I've had this game in development for I think 6 months, maybe even longer. I've not touched it in a couple of months because I have a game-breaking bug, and it's been a bit of a head scratcher on how to fix it. My concentration is awful today, and I wanted to get this done, so I was like, I know what helps my concentration. Streaming. So we'll do that. I'll show you the game if you haven't seen it. We have a logo now as well. Boop. I don't know why Windows is starting to do this. That when you maximize, it doesn't actually maximize. Well done, Windows. Well done, Windows. Okay. So it's got a bit of a roguelite element to it as well. Pew, 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 pew. So one thing I do need to do is up the difficulty. And hello, Miley. I think I might have said hello, but just in case I haven't. How are you doing, everybody? So yeah, this is like a rainbow-based shooty game where if you match the colors of your projectiles to the color of the enemy, it does more damage. Based on this color wheel down here, and you can unlock new weapons and stuff. But yeah, the pace needs to be way quicker. And you have challenges up here that you do, and once you get 10, then you get a power up like this. Annoyingly, and just getting boring ones. So yeah, today we're just going to work on fixing a couple of little bugs. The how-to section just needs polishing. Things like that. So yeah, you see it starts ramping up quite quickly. So we've got 3 colors now. And Ria Silva, welcome in. Hello. So you see it takes me a lot longer to kill the yellow ones with the red bullets, so you have to swap. Ooh, burn. Yes, we like burn. We like burn. So this is the first game I've ever made. So it's very basic. I'd say the coding in the stream overlay that I've made is a lot more complicated than what this thing is. Well, not complicated, a lot more polished. Yeah, like I say, it's just a little slow, I think. But I can see people getting very good at this. I am not going to be one of them. Honestly, make your own game and not being very good at it. I am terrible at games. No. Ooh. So yeah, on the idea you gain shards. So then you start unlocking stuff like this. So you can up your shards and stuff. So what I need to do first... Oh, I need to get rid of this because that was just me testing. So yeah, the game-breaking bug is a couple of things. For instance, if you... Let's just try and recreate it. So if you quit and load a new game and then quit. Oh, it's not done it this time. Yeah, sometimes the loading doesn't work and it overwrites the save data, which is not ideal, to say the least. How did I... Oh, that needs fixing as well. We don't want decimals here. So yeah, there's a few just little polishes really, and it's mostly done. Mostly done. How did I break it? Maybe we need to get past the first round. Let's do that. Fish, fried egg. There's a couple of new fish in the pot as well. And today is probably going to be the last day you can catch Easter fish. So if you want an Easter fish, okay. Yeah, see, here we go. This is broken now. This is no longer unlocked. The shards are completely wrong. So there's something gone wrong somewhere with the save load system. Which is the ball ache to fix. But yeah, we'll cross that bridge. First, we'll just continue with the how-to page. Let's just load that back up again. Best vie. Oh, crossbone. So yeah, there's a bit of a gap down here. Hey, Fi. Thank you for stopping in. Hope college goes well today. So we can bump this up just a touch. I think. Yeah. And the music is, you can't hear it, I don't think, but the music is playing and it should not be. Is that already in here? Yes. Only got 2 hours in college today, so it'll be chill. Nice. And hello, Chaos. How you doing? Tanz mit mir. Tanz mit mir, genau. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a chill stream today. Tanzt mit dir. Oh, sehr gut. Sei dich getanzt. Wait. You know, this is poops. That is a word. That is a word for sure. We actually have a German speaker in chat. This is going to be interesting. I feel really bad for not having learned any more Swedish before I go away next week. Oh well. Luckily, Swedish people are very good at English. Chaos. Oh gosh, why are my hands all the way up there? Poop la la. Serena, please and thank you. Yeah, no, please and thank you. It goes a long way. Yeah. Tack så mycket. Where am I going to put this? Keyboard controls, mouse controls, how to play the basics under here. Oop. As long as you can say order Swedish meatballs, it's all good. Yay! Köttbullar! Nom nom nom. Gosh, I used to be able to count and I used to know colors and all kinds of stuff, but honestly, if you don't practice the language, it just quickly goes. You guys started. Sorted. Yeah, it's one of those countries where everyone's so nice that if you just tried to speak Swedish, they would probably just speak English at you, either out of kindness or sympathy, one of the two. And the people used to do that when I lived in Germany as well. It's like, no, I want to practice my German. It's very kind that you're, speaking English with me, but please can I speak some German with you? $2 a week, yippee! Let's go. Thank you, Fi. Thank you for the 10 stream streak. Good heavens. I did worry that today might break some streaks, but I announced it. Wow. 7 stream streak. Goodness. All these lovely people. We're just going to guesstimate and then we're going to figure it out after. Reminds me of a story of an English archaeologist who go to the same cafe every day in France to get a breakfast, same pastry every day. On her final day, she ordered it, and the owners were like, "We will miss you. Please do not try and speak French ever again." That definitely sounds like France, bless him. This time it's not going to be a forbidden number counted in French. Good. Counting in French is wild at the best of times. In Germany, it's a mix of kindness and I just want to get it over with and finish my job. Yeah. It is more efficient to speak English. You don't have a class through the entire stream? Nice. How can I describe this? Anyway, there's no way this is going to be the right place, but we'll see. If you tried speaking Indonesian, the locals will be so happy for you. Trying to flow the conversation to TikTok and Instagram. Oh god, that would, good heavens, that would make me feel so self-conscious. I'm afraid I don't know any Indonesian words. Physics class, no. Not the physics. Okay, so this needs, I've got the origin of this thing wrong completely. This needs to come down. That needs to go left. Shove you over there for starters. I completely got that the wrong way around. That should be 520, not 250. I hope the class goes well. It's like meeting a celebrity to them. Okay, those line up fine. Just need to be a lot higher. Ban. Gosh, Why is my tracking so bad today? Get ready and head to work. No, Freddie, stay with us. Pretend it's important research. What's that scribble function? Oh, Glace. Oh, do I call you Glace or do I call you Gwyneth? By the way, excuse me. Scribble is an incredible little add-on by Juju Atoms, I think, that you plonk in, and oh my god, it makes text 1,000 billion% easier than Game Maker manages to do itself. From bed to the car in 10 minutes, can it be done? Let's go! But yeah, Scribble is fantastic. Highly, highly recommend just anyone, if you're using Game Maker, use Scribble. You just call it lots of inline functions. I've forgotten what the actual technical term is for that. And yeah, it just makes it so much easier. There's no setting font colors and alphas and anything like that. See if I can find a link. Juju Adams, there we go. There's a link for you. He has a lot of cool little functions, not functions, add-ons. What other ones does he have? Yeah, he's worked on lots of games. Well, yeah, Scribble makes life a bazillion times easier. They've got one for like unifying like inputs as well, which is a really, really handy one. But yeah, the one I've used most is Scribble. So good. Overseas. I'm gutted. Longest Johns are playing reasonably near me next week, no, week after, but I'm away. It's like, oh, and this is their new song, and it's so good. Okay, that's about smack on now. This is terrible grammar as well, so we should fix that. We need a full stop. The numbers next to the wheel show how much damage. Oh, what was the button? I could look in the code, but control, that's it. So yeah, the other little thing is that you might do more damage if you match up your colors, but you earn less shards for like the meta upgrades. So it's nice if you can start upgrading these colors down here, or these positions rather, so then you have a chance of earning more shards. Okay, so just hold down control. Let's bump it up by another 10 pixels. Just, you know, why not? Hey, good morning, Avery. How are you? Did you have a nice holiday? I meant to catch your stream yesterday, but then I got busy. It's most annoying. Yeah, did you have a nice trip away? I hope these fair isles treat you well. There we go. I think this page is probably done. A lovely but tiring holiday, like remarkably sunny over that way. No, it's been absolutely gorgeous these last few days, quite weirdly so. Yeah, it's beautiful again today. But yeah, glad you had a good time. And hey, Doc. And hey, John. Hello. Wow. I'm a protogen now. Yes, Tuna. We're doing chill stream today. Chill stream. Just me trying to finish a damn game. Hope it's going well. Yeah. I am very much procrastinating on this horrendous bug that I need to try and fix somehow. So we're doing all the little things first. This page is a bit busy, but should be okay. Destroy enemies and points to cluster. This is font is looking really weird. Have I turned off anti-aliasing for some reason? Ooh, excuse me. How you doing, John? How you doing, Doc? So GUI text heading. Have I been a numpty and turned off anti-aliasing? No. Or maybe we need to turn that off for the pixel art ones. Oh, small text. Ah. No, it's on. Why does that look so naff then? The headings look better. Weird. You good? Finally done with the exams? Nice. How do you think they went? Hopefully okay. How goes the Otter's book squashing? It's going okay so far. We're just doing some GUI stuff as well. Some GUI stuff. Right. CFI, good luck. Have a good lesson. Remember your formulas. Kinetic energy is half times mass times velocity squared. Woo! I remember something. I do love gooey stuff. Sticky desserts mostly. Yes. Yeah, sticky toffee pudding. Well, that's not very gooey. It's more cakey. But anyway. Haven't slept well, or hey Zoe, hopefully we can get some better sleep tonight. From the enemy coloro. Accidental Spanish. ¿Qué color prefiere? See. Okay, I think that's actually all spelled correctly now. Oh, heck yeah, crab rave. Chill music, chill music. I have so much chill music on this playlist, it's just decided not to play any of it. Destroy enemies to endpoints, the closer the colour of the projectile. to the enemy colour on the wheel, the more damage it will do. Crab Rave, let's go. Complete the challenges in the top line. Power-ups. Further your projectile colour from any other. Okay. Look at all them grabs. Okay, spell check the rest. Very exciting stuff. Mudkip Brave, let's go. Mouse controls, it's auto fire, click is fire. Scroll, change projectile color, hold and drag, move ultimate weapons, that's fine. There's a weird space there. That's a really exciting part of coding, isn't it? Spell checking. Destroy the listed enemies with the listed color projectile to gain a power point. Once you hit 10 at the end of a wave, pick a power up. Okay. Numbers next to the wheel show how much damage that particular enemy will take from your current selection projectile. Hold left control to see drop chances. Okay. Gaming. We gaming. So I'm going to turn colorblind mode off. So that it just looks like this. And it's a bit cleaner. Nice. Can't wait for you guys to hear the music in this game as well. My good friend Koob did all the music for it. And it's so good. It's probably the best part of the game. Cube. The song said 6-7, not you two. Are you one of those Zoomer types? Good heavens. Actually, I think it's more of a Gen Alpha slang, isn't it? Blech. Imagine. Right, that's that bit done. Hot dogs are the fucking best. In the summer of 67. No, not you, Raven, too. Oh no, ooh, come, my chair. The Bite of 67. I don't understand that one. I must say. Bite? Okay. Five Nights at Freddy's. I see. I have not, alas, played that game. Alright, let's fix the music. You can take me to go. Gosh, where would that be, I wonder? At Federico, yeah. I'm sure he's heard that a million times. Audio group. Load. Music volume. Music vol. Okay, and where the heck do we start loading the music from? That is a good question. Probably the splash screen. I would hope so. Not anymore, no. Loading. Where the heck do I start loading music from? Oh, who coded this nonsense? It has to be here. Steady. Sounds okay. Function play music. Okay, so it should be right there. Wah! Thank you for the bits. Wah! Most kind. It's like a little treat to keep on bashing my head against this ridiculous coding that I did months ago when I didn't know any better. This is where it needs to be. Loop gain. This song, you know what it needs up to, the thing it needs to hit us with. It's been ages since I've timed someone out in chat, Dak. Oh, I'm getting a really itchy trigger finger. I wouldn't. We don't even do that jokingly in this chat. I don't understand why that's not working. It's not best for you because you can't hear the music anyway, but it should not be playing music when it starts. Okay, let's open the configs. Ugh, JSON. It hurts me. Oh, that's the wrong one. That's probably why. So it is saving. So that's fine. Making a game, give lots of feedback, known as the feedback giver, and also the game ranter. Ooh, nice. Well, I'm sure we can somehow get a copy of this to you once it's in a reasonably bug-free state. If you'd like to play, of course. Hell yeah. Nice. Audio Play sound. Global that current play. Ah, maybe it needs to be here as well. Mayhaps. Okay, let's try that. No. When do I plan on releasing it? I had planned on releasing it by Christmas last year, but yeah. So yeah, it'll be released when it's done. Test the game to be accessible to Oopid Cats. Yeah, if anybody would like to test the game, I think no, there was not a link anymore. But yeah, be a member of the Discord, and there will be a notification there. Okay, so that's still played. Don't even know what the game is about. It's like a tower defense shooter, vague roguelite thing. I can show you properly again in a minute. Let me try and figure this out. Scribble, no. Appreciate playlist. Ah. Is it in there, I wonder? God, I hate Windows. Try there. Mines, destroy arena. Shoot. Ugh, if it's not this, then I don't know what it is. Good luck on it. Ah. That fixed it. Okay, I think. Okay, let's try again. Yeah. Yes, that fixed it. Ha! Okay, now it doesn't play at all. Sorry for pausing the music. Fuck! Why is game dev so hard? Dig a hole. I'm definitely putting this in the gain, right? 1, 2, 3. Let's see what's in mind. So none of this made any difference. That's interesting. Song requests. We don't do song requests. Yeah, sorry, we don't do song requests. again, if you're part of the Discord, you're more than welcome to suggest some music in the music channel. If you want to share your tunes, and if I like them and if I feel they fit the vibe of the stream, then I add them to my big Spotify playlist. Ooh, rock, paper, scissors, let's go. Burley wins, yay. It's a weird looking song. We do occasionally like weird songs. If audio is not playing, then stick that in there. Audio. Yeah, I don't get why that's not working. Total, why are you moonwalking? Oh, I thought I fixed that. That's really annoying. Look at you go. Wow. If you do like exclamation mark dance to make yourself dance, it should reset you, I think. Should make this bug a feature. Yeah, it's occasionally if you're playing rock, paper, scissors and there's like a weird state machine issue, you end up facing the wrong way and then it's bizarre. Okay, so why is this not working? Exactly. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, that is really bugging me. Literally bugging me. I still don't really know where the music is being launched from, which is mildly concerning. I still think this needs this here. Yeah, it's here. Audio play sound. Yeah, it has to be there. Stop emoting my loss. Okay, so what we might do is this getting not set properly now? That's the question. Let's have a look. Music is 1. Ah. Oh no, we did put it up, didn't we? I say we, as if you guys are to blame for my ineptitude. Okay, so that worked. So we'll close it. Okay, maybe I need to do some rounding on this. Binary, never change. It's going to be extra sardine today, or no? How comes? Is it a Wednesday thing, or just one of those days? Oh, I think your avatar's despawned. You need to say something to bring yourself back, Raven. Where? Oh, there you are. Interesting. Okay. So, music for. This is not how you do menu buttons, by the way. I have since learned much better, but yeah, it's too much work to change it now. I don't really care. Adjust volume. Lane wins. They're trying to make a summer pass here for buses. A one-time payment for travelling during the summer months using public transport. Huh. That sounds like a reasonable idea. Don't you guys have really good public transport anyway? Partially so, it's cheaper than driving with a car to counteract. Yeah, that makes sense. They couldn't do that in the UK because outside of the major cities, public transport is awful. Greater than 0. I think it might be this rounding issue. Particularly around here. I think round is a function, yes. How does round work? Oh, we don't need round, we need like a significant figure. How do we do that in Game Maker? Like, to Google. Game Maker. Number functions. Round, frac, absolute floors, yeah, min, max, mean, lerp. Integer. We don't want that one. Oh my god, why is this not just a function? Oh god, it's been an hour already. Politics. Yeah, the American companies handling stuff is a real bad one. But yeah, that's probably going to happen in the UK too. It's crazy. It's unreal, in fact. Anyway, let's go have a little break. I need to stretch and to fill my water, so we'll be back momentarily after these messages. Wow. Hello, welcome back, everybody. So what did we get? 50. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Hey, Fenrir. Started late and it's got to bed. Yeah, 50 is very, very good indeed. Sorry, Fenrir. Just at the end there. Okay, so it turns out Game Maker cannot round to decimal places, which is insane. So you have to like multiply it by 10, do the thing, and then divide it by 10 again or whatever. That is... I am flabber and gasted. Or at least I cannot find anything on the internet saying that you can. oh my god, the people in the forum saying this is very simple with some basic numbers operations. Multiply by 10 and do the thing and then divide by 10. It's like, no, it should be just a built-in function. That's insane. Wow. We've been making games and make it ever. Yeah, it's just a different way of working, I guess. They like whole numbers. Mm-hmm. So if we multiply by 10, maybe that works. Look, lookies, enjoy your lookies. Boop, 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 boop. So if it's like 0.1, we times that by 10, it's 1. That is equal to 0. If it's 0.01, okay. Sardine, gonna be hard to type anything right now. No worries on it. Should make a sardine command. God damn. Space. Okay, so the music is playing. What is the number? 1. Okay. I'm gonna do, hey Latitude, hope you're well. So now it's set to 0. Reload it. This shouldn't be this complicated. I don't know why it's been this complicated. Okay, so it's not playing. It's still not playing. Okay, we might have to move on to the next bug and I try and figure out what that is going on. Or just completely remake the music system. Let's see. Audio group set. Let's see. Ah. I see. Actually. So I don't think I'm using this properly. Oh, tune. Instantly. It should work. So we're taking that out of there. So we're gonna. Hey Faye, how you doing? Well, come on in. Bit of Dota. Heck yeah. Even though my team are a bit rubbish at the moment, but that's fine. So yeah, this should not be here after all. In fact, let's search for this. Let's give that a go. Okay, music's playing. It's on 1. Good job this game loads quickly. Okay, so it's still playing, but... Play music. Audio set game. Do I need to do this? Or is it just not loading in time? Ah, I wonder if that's the issue. Have we got this the wrong way around? Maybe if we plonk that there. Ooh, that's exciting. Oh, it's not played the music. And it's playing music. Ah, we did it. Ah, heck yeah. Okay. So it was just me loading things in the wrong order. Setting things in the wrong place. Yeah, this is what you get for trying to faff with code that you didn't really know what you were doing at the time. Awesome. I'm pleased with that. Oh, what a celebratory tune as well. Heck yeah. Well done, Spotify. Awesome. No silly code bugs are going to get me down. Bit of Chumbawamba. Song is a certified banger. It is. It really is. All these songs from my youth. Okay, not that. Okay, so we're going to close everything but that. Let's start again on for the next one. Shards gained around calculation is not correct. Okay, let's test it. See what it looks like. Okay, now we've got the music back. We'll turn it off. I'm going to actually start from a blank. So we've got 0 shards. Excuse me. Okay, let's just play it for a little bit. We need this visible as well. That one. So far we've gained 5 shards. 6. Sure. Don't need it yet, but we'll need it later. Yeah, hope everyone's week's going well. So I just thought this morning, like, my energy's good. I want to crack on with something. I thought, you know what? Let's do a little stream. Wow. Wowie. So 18, 19. That buys ATD man. Okay, I'm just gonna let the game destroy me. So 21. Okay. So Charles gained is 21. Ow, my hand. So it still says 21. Okay, let's do a new run. Total is 21. That's good. I have a feeling I've calculated this sort of backwards. I didn't really know what I was doing. So we might do some refactoring there. But we'll see after this round. Maybe I've already fixed this. Who knows? So it was 21. We have 5. Okay. Let's let the game run through. Bloop, bloop. So it gained 7. That's right. Huh, maybe I did fix this already. Do it again. Gosh, isn't testing so fun? Wah, wah, wah. Thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. Oh, let's have a look. So we started with 28 and we've gained 4. That's fine. Okay, I'll let it run through. Bloop, bloop, bloop. So 8. No, 30. Oh, I guess I've already fixed this because this is working fine. Start a new game, see if that conflicts somehow. Huh? No way. What? Yeah, something is going wrong with this. Is the major big bug I was talking about. This is a brand new game. I'm 100% sure I've not named a game this before, and it's pulling things through. So yeah, this is going to be a big job. Hey, Seafox. Hello. Have you played Nova Drift, Turtle? I have not. Let's have a look. Nova Drift. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Bullet hell type similar thing. Yeah. Nice. Oh, there's a demo as well. Oh, amazing. It's a roguelike. Yeah, it looks really good. That was the sort of thing that I was, aiming for with this. 2 bots thanking me for the follow. Is there 2 bots? Oh yeah, there was. Why have I set that up so it does 2 bots? Never mind. Who knows? But yeah, my god, the amount I've learned. This was my first ever game I've made. The first major coding thing I've done in a long time. So yeah, oh my god, I am so much better now than what this is, but I want to get it finished. I mean, I could just release it as it is in its broken state and just move on, but I at least want to figure out why I've messed up in certain places. Gameplay around it, yeah, I can see why. It's definitely similarities. Nova Drift is considerably more polished. Presumably by people who know what they're doing. If you're interested, anybody, go and check them out. The can is open. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So I think this is done. I just think that's perhaps occasionally a symptom of this save load issue. So we're gonna mark that particular bug done. And we'll see if it pops up. Again, when I fix the major issue. Salutes. But yeah, welcome in, Fireball. Fireball the Ferret is a wonderful name. All right. I also need to get rid of this. Just to tidy it up. Tuned. Oh. I thought. Game slot. Release the game in its current broken state, wait a few months, then check the wiki for more details about bugs. Unfortunately, this bug is so game breaking that, and I know what's going on. It's, yeah, that would be a bit mean. Okay, let's tidy that up. Okay, might leave this one here for now, and we'll deal with that major bug later. What I might do is try and fix a couple on the stream overlay. Do I want to do that, or do I want to do this? That's a good question. No, we'll have a look. Dancing in the moonlight, dancing in the da. So we're gonna need this. And we're gonna need what we're gonna need. We're gonna need select game, I think. I'm a deer, look at my majestic antlers. So do I just need... So when I go... So this is me just talking at you, sorry. Disco metal. So when I get to this screen, do I need to just force it to clear the cache, basically, of what game we're currently playing? Will that just solve the issues? I don't think it is. It's probably needed, but that's probably not what the issue is. Deers aren't majestic. Have you seen Freddy? I have seen Freddy. He is wonderfully majestic. He is a very lithe, wonderful-looking gentleman, that is for sure. I certainly can't do pull-ups. I would land on my face. That deer can climb. That deer really can climb. Very impressive. Wow. Thank you for the pats. Select game. Playlist. Okay. So there's nothing on here causing anything issues, I don't think. Especially topless like yesterday's stream. Yes. Very much so. So load game. Game name. Do we just need to clear these two variables at some point? Global. Mayhaps. Oh wait, no, only just realized. Are you the turtle that pinned my messages in front of you? Yes, I am. I am he. I am the very same. Oops. I can't remember what the message was now, but I remember it being hilarious at the time. Create save slots, build save game. Global one save slots. Yeah, my naming of variables in this bloody thing is awful as well. It's so confusing. Hey, Kegrin. Good art, good art, good art. There's a lot of alliteration of P's. Oh. Yes. Exhausted squeak. Oh noes. Someone get this otter blanket. Okay. Let's see how much that breaks things. I'm intrigued as to what happens. This isn't going to fix the issue, but I think it will. It will be just good practice. Okay, so it's currently not broken anything. Oh, interesting. Shard unlocks.json. I remember why I put this here now. Oh my god. I think this is so broken. Yeesh. Do I just scrap it and start again? Knowing what I know now. File shard unlocks. Okay, so no, actually that's fine. That's fine. That's not the variable I thought it was. I really don't want to scrap it and start again because I just kind of want to get this game finished and put to bed and then really start properly on the next one. I know this isn't, well, it's not going to be perfect by a long way, but I want it to be, playable. I mean, considering it's just a silly little game that I, did to practice, I could just get rid of the save games and just have one save game. That's tempting. Like, really simplify it down. That might actually be, that might be the one, rather than trying to unpick the absolute spaghetti mess that I've made and just, learn for next time. Yeah, take the aggro crab devs and only work on a project while it's fun. Yeah. It's getting to the point that this is getting frustrating because, like I said, I had no idea what I was doing when I started this. I've not done any game development courses. I've not coded like this before. I've never made a game before. So do I just scrap this section? I think I might do that. Although that might be, to unpack all that might be interesting. What would I have to do that, I wonder? Or do I just say balls to it? Just release it. So many options. Or my ADHD-filled brain does not deal well with many options. It'd be nice if I could fix it. Hang on. Save slots. No, hang on. Okay, we're thinking. We can hear the neurons activating. Neurons activating. Build save game. So this is a constructor. That's fine. I wonder. That muscle, I get back up. Delete game. Interesting. Okay, delete game. I'm not actually deleting things properly. That's interesting. So I'm deleting all the files, which is fine. But all I'm doing is, why the hell did I do it this way? We need to actually delete. Okay. So we need that in there anyway. Did anybody else hear the penny drop? Where did it go? Where did my script go? Oh yeah, it's in the same file. So we need to overwrite. Okay. That's going to probably fix a lot of the issues. I don't think it's going to fix every issues. Every issues. I can speak English, I promise. Okay, let's see what happens when I run this. Oh, 2 power battery. Sure. Okay. So if we click this button. Okay, so it looks the same as what it did before. Trees. Trying to think of a word I even want to have used. Right, so this time it is a completely blank brand new game. So that's good. That's a big improvement on last time. If we use the word I used before. Okay. Clear the 3rd slot. So that's a new as well. Interesting. I wonder if that's going to be the issue. Okay, well we'll play a bit and then we'll do this save load thing. If I can remember what it was that caused the bug now. It's over an hour ago I did this. Oh my god, my brain. Okay, that's a new bug. Where's the 3rd option gone? What's going on? Oh my god. What I've done should not have affected that at all. Oh, coding, man. Okay, now there is a 3rd one. But it was rare. Hang on, I just had a thought. Just looking at the JSON files in the background. But no, they seem fine. Huh. Oops. It's not the bit of burn damage. Hey, welcome home. Yay. Not cute. Big, terrifying apex predators. Grr. Grr, look how scary I am. Grr. Grr. Scarily cute. No. You cute. No, you. Sorry, I'm gaming. Just pretend I'm holding up an Uno reverse card. So why is it? Why is it doing 3 now? Okay. Can I remember how I triggered the bug last time? It was going in and out of games and then selecting new games. my god, I'm not very good at this game. I forgot you could click like manually to be faster as well. Oh, this is so much easier. Okay, so we've got to quit. So this is the one we were playing. So if we're going to here, start a new run. Do a couple of rounds on this one. So it's a stationary game. No movement to avoid enemies. No, not in this one. Eventually you unlock things like mines and walls that you can put in. There's like a color changer. There's little turrets you unlock as well with your shards. I don't think the shard progression is quick enough, so I need to tweak that. Okay, so we've done a few rounds of that. 6, 29. Okay, this is seems to be working. $30. Easy with turrets. Yeah, this it starts off very sedate, but once you get to the full 8 colors, things are getting very quick, and you've got to be like super skilled. Okay. Huh. I think that might have fixed it? Question mark? Really fun to listen to the instrumental version of the song. Ooh, I don't think I've heard the instrumental version. Let's get a few more rounds in. 12, 12. This hasn't changed. Still some rounding I need to do. Current wave 3. Current wave 5. So that's picking up okay. Continue. We're on round 3. Wow, maybe that was it. I just wasn't clearing the variables properly. That's awesome. I think we're almost at a point where I can actually give it to people in its quote-unquote finished state. For like proper testing purposes. I also don't really have a name for it, which is kind of sucky. I can't really think of one. Like the project title I gave it was Project Lighthouse. I mean, I might even just keep it as that, you know. It's kind of cute in a weird sort of way. What game are you doing? Yeah, it's the game I'm making, as yet untitled, but currently called Project Lighthouse. I just think it's a little too easy to start with. I think I need to up the initial difficulty and then have it scale a bit slower because, yeah, it does get absolutely crazy. I'm going to get RSI as well. Getting really unlucky with the upgrades as well. Pew, 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 pew. How am I feeling? I'm feeling good. Thank you, Raven. But yeah, we're not going to go for much more than 2 hours today. I still have some sewing to catch up on or to finish before I go away. So, okay. So wave 11, 44.6. Ah. Interesting. Those numbers didn't line up. These numbers line up with these numbers. Or maybe... So maybe that other bug I found is actually its own separate bug after all. 38. Oh my goodness. Ah. Okay, 6 colors now. Whoa. Heck yeah. I know I'm surprised when I say this, but it's actually really quite fun when it gets like ramps up like this. It gets harder to get power-ups as well. You got to be like super skilled, and I am not. Ah! That's a very manly noise. Sorry. Not cute. Ah. Huh. Okay. So that actually looks about right. Hey, Ami, how you doing? Nice to see you. Muff, muff, muff. So 72.10. 72.10. 97. 92.7. Game isn't running anymore. Okay. That's good to know. Hey, and Sol as well. How you doing, Sol? Sorry, we're just bug testing, play testing, bug fixing at the moment. So there's a lot of doing the same thing over and over and over again. Yeah, this is an interesting bug. I don't know what's going on there. That's a new one. Part of deving, yeah, it's most definitely the least fun part of deving, but oh, that's handy. Well, at least I can do it with good music and good company. Back from your holiday. Ah, nice. Yeah, did you have a nice time? Oh my, I'm doing pretty well, actually. Not been super well, but until yesterday I started feeling a bit better. Doing a lot of resting right now. I've been trying to get some more fresh air as well, which I think is helping quite a bit. But yeah, doing all right. Doing all right. Okay, so we quit this. 13 sounds about right. Ah. So yeah, there is something strange going on. with how shards are calculated. Oh, oops. That's not the button I meant to press. Holiday was needed, yeah. Hopefully nice and refreshed. When did I start this? Oh gosh. Maybe like July time last year, I want to say. But I didn't work on it constantly. I was doing lots of other things as well. And now I've not touched this in like 2 months either. So, yeah, that's bizarre. Gain 23, total 23. That's not right. I'm sure I had some to start with. Although no, it was in the same run. I think that's enough to get other people having a go. I need to do the tidying up and I need to do the rounding. Nothing else matters. So total shots here. I need to add a round into here. There we go. Need to get out more. Yeah, it's hard though. It really is. And my captions are no longer working. Thank you, OBS. Why not? Turn them off and on again, and they work. Of course they do. Did I need to do rounding on that screen? What you? Do 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 do. Okay. Nice. 29.4, standard difficulty. Okay. We're going to call that one done. At least in its current iteration. I'm sure it'll pop up somewhere else as well. Now there's this strange little, well, not strange, but yeah, I don't really want to spend the time changing how I calculate shards, so I might just meh. It's a single player game. If you want to cheat, I mean, cheat yourself. Just had sun overload on holiday, so now it's time to let my skin chill. Yeah. Yeah, we've been really lucky here. It's been absolutely gorgeous. I don't think I've seen a cloud in like 5 days. Very unusual. It's not been like overly warm. I sat out in the garden like 4 o'clock yesterday and I was like, ooh, even though it was full sun, it was like there's a really chilly breeze. But yeah, it's been gorgeous. Yeah, let's just sack that off. I don't care. We need to do things like this. Thank you for the hearts. Need to set the icon images. What else do I need to do? That was the big bug I wanted to get rid of. Everything else is just tidying up and fixing little things here and there. Need to update that as well. Like I say, it's a game I know is not great at all. It's just I wanted to finish the game. I wanted to get it finished so I can say I've made a game. It's crap. I learnt a lot. This is all loading nicely. Still loading that. Same here since we got back. Sun shining, but can be chilly at times. Yeah, I think we get pretty similar weather. Yeah. So I'm on a shard run. Apologies if you can hear me smacking my mouse, hammering the mouse button. It's so much better for you guys once you get this because you'll hear all the pew 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 noises as well. I suppose I could actually add that source, but too late. Just want to get 25 shards so I can unlock the get more shards button. There we go. Let's get a couple more for luck. Pew, 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 pew. 31. Okay. In fact. Is it a problem we can upgrade mid-run? That's an interesting question. So 35, and it says 35. Okay, let's test the rounding. Yeah, don't mind it showing decimals here. So we've gained 7.7 for a total of 17.7. That's correct. Because I had 35 and I spent 25. So 19.9. Ah. Yeah, it is calculating it wrong. It's minusing what we had to start with. Interesting. So it's actually minusing it twice. Ah. Total. So that's right. Because we gained 9. Wait, did we gain 9.9? No, we did. We did. Okay, that's fine. Do I want rounding here? I'm going to snooze the ads. We're going to finish up soon. I don't want to push my luck with my energy. Yeah, we'll round on this screen as well, but we'll round down. That would make more sense. Don't want buttons. We want Yeah. Oh no, wait, hang on. There we go. So we want to round total shots. And we want to round code shots. Right. I think I better get this like uploaded to itch and you guys have a link. Unless anybody has seen something utterly glaring. Wait. What? 45? Oh yeah, no, that's right. Yeah, because it's rounding now. Yeah, that's right. I was like, oh god, I've broken the numbers again, but no, that's right. This was 19.9, it's now 20, that's fine. Ugh, wipes brow. So yeah, I need to set its little icons and images for the installer. That shouldn't take very long at all. I could probably add this as well, because right now, literally, what you can do is you can go into dig into your file system and just edit the numbers and just give yourself 1,000 million points. Which, if you want to do that, I mean, more power to you. If that's what that's how you get your kicks. Red, orange. Cool. Yeah, we'll look into this. It shouldn't be too difficult. The idea is that I just make like a encrypted version of all the settings files, and then just every now and then in various places I'll just check. So I'll encrypt the current settings and go, do they match what's in the encrypted file? And if they don't, then they'll be like, naughty, someone's been tweaking. Smacks hand. But yeah, I'm not too fussed about that. Like I say, it's my first game. Enigma encryption. What's that? Oh my god. I'll tell you what, we're going to raid someone very different today. So yeah, we're done for today. Thank you everybody for hanging out. It's been a really fun little stream, and honestly, I got so much done, more done than I thought I would. Certainly more than I would if I was just doing it by myself. Because I don't normally stream on a Wednesday, I don't get to rate this person. Oh, go away. Thank you, Raven. Let's go and see Henry. So Henry is a ceramicist. He's making some cool clay things. It's a stream I love hanging out on. Oh, it's really fun. I think he'll only be streaming for another hour or so, but hey, we'll go and say hello and pass on the love. But yeah, I hope you all have a great week. We'll be back on Friday, as per usual, where we'll be doing more pixel arty stuff, which is cool. Probably some more fish. We'll be starting on SC Fox's raffle winning piece as well. I have no idea what time PST. It's 11 a.m. summertime. I do need a boop redeem. Yes. But yeah. Peace out. Let's go and say hello to Henry. There's some raid messages. Just something a bit different today. Backstreet Boys. Oh my god. I just realized what song's playing. Peace out, everybody. See you Friday. Bye.